guys, it's Ria here and welcome back to Programming and Tech. And this is our sixth video. Sixth? Not seventh video, I guess. It's our seventh video of our Python course. And today we'll be discussing one more topics. And I want you guys to respond. I want you guys to, actually like my videos. I want you guys to subscribe and turn on notification bell. I want you guys to share this video to more and more people and tell them to subscribe. I want you guys to comment how was the video. If you do this, I will. If you, if our channel grows, if I need something, a small favor from you guys. I'm giving you this paid course for absolutely free, and can't you do that much? Let's start. So today's in my previous video we discussed variable and concept. Today we'll be discussing Python data types. So there are many data types. So first data type that you need to learn is strings. And now actually I wrote stings. So that's not stings, that's strings. What is a string? So string is letters or words or a sentence that is written inside a bracket. No, not written inside a bracket. That's written inside double quotes or a single quotes. So for that, let us see this sentence. So here it's written, "Hello, I am Riyan," written inside double quotes. What actually happens here is if I write them in a single quote. That's possible. You can write strings in either single or double quote. If I write in the single quote, actually, hello I, that much only. Python will give hello I as a output. Why? Because I am. So I have put a single quote here. So that means Python will think hello I. That's output should that's the output that Python should give. But I want hello I am Riyan. So I actually inserted that in double quotes. That means Python will think from you know I should show hello I am Ryan, and that single quote is not the ending of the output. You guys have understand, let me show you. So I put a single not a single quote here, let it be double. So here I put a single quote and run shift plus enter. It is invalid syntax. Why? Actually any other IDE will not show this. It won't show that syntax error or invalid syntax. It will, you know you can write, keep writing, and then when your application is you're gonna test, it will crash out. Jupyter Notebook shows because Jupyter Notebook knows that whoever uses it is a beginner. Don't worry, you will also become expert. So here, hello, I am Rian, invalid syntax. Actually, the reason is the output will only be hello I. So let me quickly change it to double quotes, and when I run shift plus enter, hello, I am Rian. Now, these are strings. So there are not types. Strings are either in a single quote or in a double quote. And now that's all about strings. Before ending this video, let me give you one more thing, that's length. Length, maybe you want to know the length of a string. Maybe you want to know the length of I am unknown. So to check that, unknown, W, spelling error. So you have to actually use a length. So it's highlighted in green. So green, length stands for length, and it's highlighted in green. That means what is it? Comment me down. Brackets, and I am unknown. And when I run this, it shows me 11. What is 11? So it doesn't count this part, which is highlighted. It only counts what's inside the string, what's inside the single quote or double quotes also. I am. So let me count how much it is. Here it's 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I am unknown is having only 8 characters. Then why it is showing 11? There comes one more thing, that is in Python, space is also considered as a character. That means 8 plus 1 space over here and 2 space over here, and you also have a space over here. I left a space over here. So that means 3 spaces. 8 plus 3 is 11. So let me remove one of the spaces, like, wait a minute, wait a minute. Yeah, I removed. And when I run shift for center, it shows 10. So that's the thing. Next thing is indexing. Now you have a string called RIYAN. Now you want Python to show only a single letter, because RIYAN is a word. If there is a sentence, then you want to show a single letter, not a word, single letter. Then what you'll use, you'll use the incising index. So first write the string and then put the square brackets and then write the number. So 3. So 3 is the identifying number or ID number. So you will think 3 must be Y. No, after 1 is R, 2 is I, 3 must be Y, and why is it showing A? That's one more thing, that first letter is 0. First, maybe it's a letter or space, then it's 0. Second is 2, 1. Third one is 2. That means R is 0, I is 1, Y is 2, and A is 3. So when I say Python only show me 3, shows 3. This is indexing. Let's slice. So splicing means, now I have written a sentence in RIYAN is making a video. So now I put 3 is to 6. That means now 3 means A, right? What is 6? 6 is this space after the N. Really? No. N is fourth word, space is fifth, and I is 6. That means 3 is to 6. When I write, Python will think show 3, show 4, and show 5. Don't include 6. Starting from 3, all over there, 6. So here it is showing A and a space here. No space, because this is side out. And you can also do 3, 6, 8. So that actually does is, no, if I show you every exercise here, you are not gonna respond me. Tell me, I'll give you a code, put it in your Jupyter notebook and execute it, and then comment me down. If your answer is right, and if you are the first one to give the answer, or first, if you're top 5 to give answers, then I will pin. No, give a heart to your comment, because pin can be done once. I'll give heart to your comment. So if you want heart, do it. So you have to say subscribe to technology and wait, let me type the code. Shift to brackets, subscribe, subscribe to programming and tech. Now you have to say shift bracket. Sorry, this is the shift bracket. So now what you will write in this bracket to show only subscribe. To show only subscribe, what you will write in the bracket. Comment me down below and I am gonna see it and give you a heart. And literally, one more thing, actually tell whether you are actually practicing coding. I want to know how much people are learning from my this course. So that's all for today's video. Meet you in my next video. Bye bye guys.